Hi friends, Joy Kakavik, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you about our #1 selling cloth, the EnviroCloth. It comes in a lot of different colors. I have a few of them here, but I want to share with you the features of this cloth, what makes it so unique and powerful, also how you use it, and the amazing benefits of using this cloth, including how it saves you time and money. Those are pretty important things, right? So let's talk a little bit about the features of this cloth. It is our most densely woven cloth. It is our workhorse cloth. So it is designed to pick up and trap dust, debris, dirt, germs, bacteria using only water. In fact, it will remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface using only water and in a single swipe. Isn't that so exciting and cool? So I want you to know about how tiny each of the fibers are. It's made with 1/200th the size of a human hair in diameter with the microfiber. So what that means is if you were to split your hair 200 times, that is how tiny each of the microfibers are in this cloth. So in fact, if you were to unravel this one cloth that I'm holding right here, it would stretch from Canada to Mexico. It's like almost 10 million feet of fiber. So what that means for you is lots and lots and lots of powerful surface area for you to clean effectively using only water. Another great feature of this cloth is it's lined with microsilver. We call that our backlock technology. And microsilver is essentially what helps to self-purify your cloth. So if you did pick up anything icky, anything like bacteria, mold, mildew, anything that could potentially grow in your cloth and make it stinky, the backlock or the microsilver technology actually suffocates that and self-purifies the cloth. So you rinse it out in between uses, you hang it to dry, and then the next time you go to it, it's like cleaning with a very brand new cloth. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the amazing things that you can do with the EnviroCloth. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your EnviroCloth and get it wet. So it doesn't need to be sopping wet. You just go ahead and run it underneath your faucet. This is my, probably 4-year-old EnviroCloth. So I'm going to get it wet and I'm going to wring it out, and I want it to just be damp. One of my favorite uses after I've cleaned up my dishes is to take my EnviroCloth and clean out my sink. So all that grease and stuff that's in there, I'm just going to wipe that away. I'll knock over soap dispensers and everything. And it just cleans all that up beautifully and quickly, and it will leave it nice and shiny and clean as well. So very fast and easy. And then I'll take my cloth and also clean some of this high touch area. So I'm touching this all the time. So I want to clean that, and then I'll just quickly go over this so that it's nice and clean and shiny. Another great, simple, fast use is in your bathroom. So you can clean your vanity, super fast and easy. Inside your sink. When you're mechanically cleaning, you'll be able to feel when the surface is clean. So you'll be able to go over it. If there's any toothpaste or makeup or anything like that, you'll be able to feel when it's actually clean. While we're at it, we can also clean the showers and the tubs. It's so simple. Apply just a little bit of extra pressure if you've got some buildup into your grout. But no products are needed, just this cloth and water. Even on your glass shower door, super fast and easy. All right, don't freak out, but I actually use this to clean my toilet too. So I will clean the outside of the toilet. So I'll start with the lid, and then I will go ahead and clean the seat. And this part right here. And then lastly, I'll go back here. So simple, so fast. All right, so now that I've cleaned my toilet, you guessed it, I'm gonna rinse out my cloth. So in between uses, you're gonna go ahead and just bring it underneath your faucet. Rub the fibers together to help loosen out any of the debris. Now technically I could just refold this in a different direction and keep on cleaning, but you know, I did just clean my toilet. So I'm going to go ahead and wring this out, hang it to dry, and I'll grab another cloth and I'll be right back with you here. I can also spot clean things on walls or doors, cabinets, all of that good stuff. So on the side of my island here, I've got quite a bit of buildup. This is kind of where we keep our trash can. So it naturally gets these little splatters. So I'll just use a little bit of pressure to get that stuff off. But again, since I'm mechanically cleaning, I'm not putting any kind of harmful chemical residue on my surface, and I can actually feel when the surface is clean. So here I can see when it's clean, but I can also feel when it's clean, and it's only being cleaned with water and this microfiber cloth. And so I switched it out to the gray just so you know that I didn't use the same one that I cleaned my toilet with. So our cloth is not just for hard surfaces, it will clean soft surfaces too, like spots on carpeting or even spots on clothing. So I have a really dirty carpet down in my basement. So I'm going to just go ahead and come down to the carpet. Now for this one, I don't need to worry so much about having it folded in quarters, but I can use my damp cloth to go over this carpet spot. And I don't need to worry about using any kind of products, just the cloth and water. Wine stains people have gotten out, even nail polish people have gotten out of their carpeting with this EnviroCloth. You can see a little bit on the cloth, some of that dirt and that grime. All right, so you're probably wondering, how can I get my hands on these awesome cloths? Well, of course you can. You can go to my website, cleanbyjoy.com. Of course, another great option would be hosting. Many of my hosts earn about 2 to 3 of these for free when they host. And this also comes in your consultant starter kit. So if you're interested in joining as a consultant and sharing these amazing products, that's another great way for you to get your hands on this EnviroCloth. But a couple things that you should be aware of. One, you've got 2-year warranty on all of our microfiber, but it lasts 7 to 10 years. It saves the average household $15 to $20 per cloth every single year, and it replaces all of your bathroom cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, kitchen cleaner. It replaces all of that stuff, plus it replaces loads and loads and loads of paper towel, and that's where the huge savings can come into play. So it's going to cut your cleaning time in half, it's going to save you lots of money, and of course it's more sustainable and eco-friendly. So let me know if you have any questions. If you found value in this, please like, share, comment, all of those wonderful things. And again, that website is cleanbyjoy.com. Thanks everyone.